Maintaining a youthful appearance can be a top priority for men and women of all ages. Surprisingly, many surgical options available to those seeking a bit of help from the fountain of youth are not only cost-effective, but in fact yield better results than the alternatives.
There is absolutely nothing in a non-surgical world that will match the result of a surgical facelift. Facelift results may last at least 10 years, even longer. So cost effectiveness of a facelift is way ahead of anything non-surgically that you do in our face.
Sarah, one of Dr. T's patients, spent years using alternative options. But Mother Nature has a way of beating the option, and as she grew older, she finally decided to go for the ultimate revision to regaining and retaining her youthful appearance. She decided it was time for a facelift.
When I was younger, I used injectables like Botox and fillers, as well as some non-invasive radio frequency machines for skin tightening. And they were wonderful and made me look great, but age has a way of winning the battle, and I felt I really needed a lift physically and emotionally. With the facelift, I was able to find the more youthful me I had been looking for, and this will last a lot longer.
The Liposuction and Cosmetic Surgery Institute uses only the most physiologically proficient procedures to provide patients with a revitalized youthful appearance.
The rejuvenation is very physiologically and anatomically correct because we age downwards, we don't age forward. So the correction is exactly in the same line as the aging lines. So we lift and reposition the face back to the youthful to upward vector position.
Sarah was afraid of the tight, pulled-back look or windblown look commonly associated with a facelift, but experienced no such results.
I'm so pleased with my facelift. I didn't want to look like a joker. I look awake and refreshed, and you can barely tell that I had a procedure done. I feel beautiful again.
Younger patients who turn to surgical options as a preemptive approach generate more natural results via a far simpler procedure.
In America, we seem to think that if I wait a little longer, had it done sometime later, it's a good thing. In Europe, it is usually done as a preventative of aging method at a younger age, in their 40s, to keep the face youthful without dramatic changes.
To schedule an appointment at the Liposuction and Cosmetic Surgery Institute, call 847-259-1000 or go to lipodoc.com.